Hi, I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to make sure your sound on Zoom is being picked up correctly and coming through your headphones instead of your computer speakers. Now let's get started.
So first, let's understand the problem. If you're talking to a student or someone on a call and they say they can't hear you through their headphones, but everything works when they remove them, that usually means your audio is going to the wrong output device, like your computer speakers instead of your headset. But don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. Before opening Zoom, plug in your headphones properly. Make sure they're fully inserted into the correct jack or USB port. And take a second here, because honestly a loose connection is one of the most common problems. So just double check that first. Now open Zoom. Look for the little settings icon and click on it. In the left panel, go to the audio tab. Here you will see two important sections. One is your speaker and the other is your microphone. Now click on the speaker drop down and check the current speaker that Zoom is using. If your headphones are connected properly, they should appear here, and you want to make sure they are selected. Because if something else is selected, like your monitor speakers, Zoom will send the sound there instead. For example, in my case, I can see another option from my monitor speakers. If that were selected instead of my headphones, the sound would come from my monitor, not my headset. And that's exactly what we want to avoid. Now click the test speaker button and a test sound should come through your headphones, only not your computer speakers. If it sounds right, you're good to go. Now let's move to the microphone section. Again, click the drop down and make sure Zoom is using the mic from your headset, not the built-in computer microphone. If it's wrong, just switch it to the correct device, then do a quick test. Speak a little, check the input bar and make sure it's picking up your voice clearly. So let's keep this really simple. Plug in your headphones, open Zoom, select the correct speaker and microphone, test both. And that's it. One final tip. Always plug in your headphones before opening Zoom. This helps Zoom detect your devices properly from the start and avoids a lot of confusion later. And once everything is set, you should be ready to go.